Hey everybody, this is Jason, the Science Outreach Manager, Life Science Educator, and Art Guy here at the Children's Museum Houston. Right now I am inside the Art Academy inside of Kidtropolis to talk to you about the Tanabata Festival, which is today. So what is Tanabata Festival? Well, in Japan, it's a festival where people will tie wishes to decorative bamboo trees in honor of two star-crossed lovers, of a story, a myth, anything you want to call it, of these two star-crossed lovers who finally get to meet. So it's a wish of prosperity, it's a wish of happiness, it's a wish of something good to happen to you, your family, your friends. So what is fun to do during festivals like this is to kind of make art that is reminiscent of the festival that you are celebrating. So if you look down over here, I made myself a little Tanabata drawing. And I know it looks very surrealistic, it looks very art deco in a way, artistically different, if you will. But what I basically try to convey with this is there's a very famous Japanese artist named Kusama, and I love her work very much. And what she tends to do is these huge installations that will have vibrant colors like the red here and the yellow here, and there'll be these dots embedded into these vibrant colors. She has clothing like that, she has furniture like that, and like I said, she'll do these huge installations. So what I decided to do is to sort of honor her as well, because she is a Japanese artist, was to kind of do a Tanabata picture in her style. So what I did was I made these kind of like very blotchy looking bamboo trees, if you will. And I did the vibrant colors of the yellow and the reds. And then what I did simply was I took some India ink. I took my India ink pen. I loaded it up with ink like this. And then I let the drops come down, just like that. And so you get those nice drops, just like she makes in her art. And we'll show you some of her art at the end of this so you can see what I mean. But that's really all I did. And then over here, I kind of mixed all the different colors plus the ink to sort of make the wishes, which are these black ink sheets right here, these rectangles. These are the wishes being sent out, and hopefully they will come true. So, because I like Kusama so much, I decided to give her some honor with this Tanabata Festival, and you can do the same thing. And you probably can do it better than me. So if you decide to make a Tanabata piece of art, please go ahead and show us your process by either taking photos or taking a video of it and put it in our social media. We have Facebook, we have Twitter, we have Instagram, we have it all. If you're watching this on YouTube, please go ahead and hit subscribe. If you hit the subscribe button, you'll be able to get notifications of all the other art stuff that we do. You'll get notifications about the science videos, Mr. O's Oh Wow moments, the Tater Tot Tot tunes, our story times, everything you'd want. So, have a happy Tanabata. I hope you all do a work of art. I hope you all make a wish. You don't have to tie it to a bamboo tree. You can tie it to any decorative tree you want. And I do hope your wish comes true. With that, hope to see you at the Children's Museum soon. That's my wish. And have a great day, everybody. Bye for now.